Well, folks, Dan Hood, Big DH 2000 here. Finished wiping this down yesterday and got my greasy hands all over it today, just making sure it felt right, holding it right. So let's show you what it looks like. Any spots and whatnot you see we'll clean up with just a wipe down. But here it is. As you can see, this is part of the Warbird design that Bill Hays invented. The support structure, at least. This, the armrest, is from the one that Nathan built. The forks are kind of the shape on Nathan's, but as you can tell, I attach them differently. I also made the forks really deep and long, more for visual effect. In case for those of you who are Klingon folks, you'll know that they have a lot of weapons. It also kind of looks like when you, here, let me show you, when you put it on your arm, kind of gives me a little mindset of the movie Alien with Sigourney Weaver. You know, all kinds of weird. For those who can't see, when you straighten it out, it sticks up about an inch above the bump. You tie on the end. Once again, brass pins to hold it in, hold the forks on. Well glued. From inside here all the way up here to about here is one solid piece. So there's, unless there's a flaw in the material, which there usually isn't in black phenolic, as far as strength goes, this thing ain't going anywhere. Super strong. Glued two pieces on here to increase the width, and obviously glued the two forks on there and pinned them. Those are solid pins all the way through. Anyway, this was a fun build. This will probably be the last one of these big boys I make. I just wanted to test Bill's support version and see how it worked. Let me put that down. I like it. I think both ones that I've built, you hold them about the same, but they torque on your arm just a little bit different. Both are good. Both have flaws. It's just the way it is. It depends on which way you like your wrist to be bent a little bit, or tweaked a little bit as to which option you like. So I got a case on the way for this, like the last one. I'm gonna put it in, maybe play with it for a little while until somebody talks me out of it. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. Let me flip it over to the other side. I sanded it to 800 grit. It's smooth as silk. There are 1 or 2 blemishes in the material, which always happens. So you get a little white spot no matter how much you sand. And as some of that is just my dusty fingerprints. Don't worry about that. Those will wipe right off. I've just been, like I said, feeling it, holding it, pulling on it, see how it works. Anyway, hope you guys like it. Finally finished it.